Welcome guys, if you want to change the alarm sound of your Amazon speaker, in this video I'm going to show you how to make it. Okay, first of all go for the devices, pick Echo and Alexa, select your speaker, next tap on the settings icon.
I don't know that.
Right now all you have to do, simply scroll down and you have to go for the sounds. Right here you can go for the alarm, and here you'll find the list of all available alarms. Okay, unfortunately it looks like there's no the preview of the song, but you can tap save simply, and that's how you can change the alarm sound on your Amazon Echo speaker. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.